The South Korean government escalated its health warning to emergency and vowed all-out efforts to contain the new coronavirus after the country confirmed its fourth case in a 55-year-old man who recently visited Wuhan, the epicenter of the outbreak. They're imposing tougher quarantine standards and dispatching military and medical personnel. Kyung-eun has our top story.
South Korea on Monday escalated its health warning to a level 3 or emergency, up one notch from the previous caution, as the deadly coronavirus outbreak that began in the Chinese city of Wuhan continues to spread around the world, with the Seoul government confirming its fourth case earlier in the day in 55-year-old Korean man who had recently visited the city of Wuhan.
The infection of the new coronavirus has expanded to all parts of China, and there is a growing possibility of the virus spreading across local communities in South Korea. The government, therefore, has escalated the infectious disease alert by one notch to emergency level.
In efforts to contain the virus, the South Korean government is imposing tougher screening measures at major international airports and more strict quarantine standards starting Tuesday. Those who have visited China's Hubei province in the last 2 weeks and show symptoms such as fever or respiratory problems will now be classified, suspected, and will be placed under quarantine. So far, these measures have been limited to those who have traveled to Wuhan and show pneumonia symptoms. Under the toughened controls, the South Korean government has the right to classify anyone entering the country from any part of China showing symptoms of pneumonia as patient under investigation and place them in isolation. Those who show mild symptoms will also be actively monitored by health authorities. Seoul's defense ministry said on Monday that it will mobilize some 100 military doctors, nurses, soldiers, and dispatch them to 21 seaports and airports across the country in order to help carry out these measures. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.